how to brand your company
so that you can go from ordinary to extraordinary. There are 3 steps we follow to achieve this. Step 1 is discovery, where we get to know everything about your business. What makes you different? Who are your 3 biggest competitors? Who are your target audience? And why should they do business with you? We will also find out how you want your brand to be perceived by your ideal target audience. Step 2 is where we present the brand strategy that aligns with your business goals. This is where we present your brand profile, your brand personality, your ideal buyer persona, your brand positioning, your brand story, your taglines, your competitive landscape, and 3 mood boards that serve as inspiration on how your brand could look and feel like. Once you pick a mood board direction, we go on to step 3, which is design. Here we create 3 logo design options that resonate with your ideal audience, also showing how they manifest as website header and social media. We will then refine your logo and then create brand guidelines that outlines your logo variations, brand fonts, and brand colors, as well as mock-ups of how it should manifest on various touchpoints. By investing in our comprehensive approach, you're not just getting a logo or a website, but an entire strategic outline of how your brand should look, talk, and act like to attract your ideal customers. If you're ready to elevate your brand, check out our website for our pricing and timeline.